Hi, my name is Melissa with the CEOffice. I am a leadership and operations coach helping founders of service-based small businesses cultivate their team's potential through leadership coaching and elevated operating systems. In addition, I create templates using Notion to help them excel in their professional and personal lives. Today, I am sharing with you a preview of the wardrobe dashboard, or this is something that I use myself to keep track of items that I am interested in instead of pinning them, and also of the items that I've purchased and are in my closet. So you can replace the image here on the left with something that's more your aesthetic, and then your style preferences you can enter into this little chart here. Also helpful just for keeping cohesiveness, but also if you decide to have a stylist support you, they also have information to your preferences as well, or access to your preferences. If you are keeping track of coupon codes that you get in your inbox from different retailers, you can add them here and then have them associated with the shops here. These four entries here are all databases that will track your coupon codes, items that you're interested in or purchased, outfits, so that is a collection of the items together, and then the shops that you frequently purchase from. Then as you scroll down below, you can see your wardrobe a week at a glance. So if you're someone that likes to plan out your wardrobe so that way it's easy to get dressed in the morning, which is something I recommend, especially if you're a high performer, because one less decision to make in the morning makes it so much easier for you to focus on what matters and show up for your team. You will see there's an example that I have here for a wedding where you can see how an outfit comes together, and you can see all the pieces here. And then if it's something that you want to wear again, you can just select the favorite button and it'll show up in your favorites outfits. I am going to purposefully not show you through all these databases so that way you can have something to discover should you choose to purchase this. But real quick, going into items, you can see what has been purchased in your closet, and it is grouped by type. So if it's an accessory, dress, you can see then the color and the size, where it's purchased from, and so on. So just again, a preview of the capsule wardrobe. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. Thank you.